Hello again. This is the overview video for day one. Here is our Schoology page, and again, the online distance learning is the first thing on the page just to make it easy access for you. So if we go into it, you'll see all of the units that we're going to be doing in this online distance learning format. And before school's closed, we were on Unit 3. We were talking about the skeletal system, so we're going to finish off with the muscular system here. And if you click into this folder, you'll see I have it separated by days. And so I also gave you the date just to make it easier, so you don't have to think, oh, I don't know if it's day 2 or day 3. As long as you know what the date is and you can check what the date is, then you'll know what day you're supposed to be on. So if we go ahead here into day 1, so this is what you guys are going to be working on today. I want you to watch this crash course video on the muscular system. It's just to give you a refresher. It's just to kind of get your minds back into the muscular system, and just to give you, a little bit of an overview. And then we have our muscular reading guide, which I gave to you before we went on that long weekend. Some of you probably finished it. Some of you might still have some to do. So I want you to go ahead and finish that. I want you to work on that. If for some reason you didn't take a textbook with you, then just look things up online. Google can be your best friend. Make sure it's a reliable resource, but go ahead and look for that stuff online. If you can't find it, let me know. I do have a textbook here with me. I can send you pictures of the pages if you need or anything like that. And then what I did was I came up with some questions that are based right from the reading guide. So once you complete the reading guide, you should be able to get those answers right from the actual paper. Some of them are multiple choice, some of them you'll have to type a little bit, and then this is what I'll be grading to check your reading guide. So I don't actually need you to turn in the reading guide. I know a couple of you were asking, I think a couple of you even sent pictures of it, and I really do appreciate it. That's awesome. But I'm just going to grade these questions here. It just makes it a little bit easier so you don't have to take pictures of multiple pages. So again, if you have questions, if you need any help with anything, please let me know. I will be near my computer for most of the day. If it's later in the day, I might not be, and I might not get back to you right when you send me a message or an email, but I will get back to you as soon as I can. And good luck, and I look forward to hearing from you guys.